Hello, and welcome to None of the Above. My name is Steve Nemirovsky, and I'm your host. None of the Above is a political show, and we're focused on two words, the two most heinous words in American politics today, dysfunction and polarization. Our system is dysfunctional beyond belief and polarized beyond belief. So the focus of this show is to talk about how we got there, what this dysfunction is about, what this polarization is about, and more importantly, to come up with solutions. How are we going to break this cycle of dysfunction? For today's show, we're going to start a topic that I think is probably the number one topic on most people's minds when they think about what's wrong with the political system today, and that's campaign finance. Most people abhor the amount of money that gets spent on politics, and I think most people suspect that it is the root of all evil in politics. Now, of course, another saying is that money is the mother's milk of politics. So we're somewhere between the purity of the mother's milk and the evil of the money here. But it is a big issue, it's a big topic, and it's a serious topic. And if, at some point, if we don't get our arms around the problems related to campaign finance, we will not be able to deal with dysfunction, and we will have continued polarization. So we're going to start today as a two-part interview. In today's session, we're going to talk about background on campaign finance, why it's a problem, how we got there, some of the Supreme Court decisions that have led to, again, some of this function in the political world today. And then in our next episode, our next program, we're going to talk about some solutions. So today's the problem, the next episode will be the solutions. We also are going to introduce another topic today that we're going to talk about periodically, and that is incumbency protection. How the people that we elect to office, how the incumbents use campaign finance, and how they use other vehicles to, quite frankly, keep their jobs, how they use their power and their influence to create the process that allows them to stay elected. So we'll start with campaign finance reform, and then we will drill down to a subset of incumbency protection.